Hello, it's me, the one who dropped a video about their mental health being in the gutter and then just disappeared for half a year. It's been a while, and I am super excited about what I have to do today because we're getting an upgrade. We're getting an upgrade to pieces of the room that I like, that you see behind me. One of them being that's new. I love it very much. Maybe you'll get a tour of it one day. Quarantine killed my back, and I love this chair I'm in. It's my cute little IKEA chair that I've had for my, I think just my entire college career, in all honesty. But sitting in it 8 hours a day, my back was very shot halfway through semester. Like, my lower back, if I laid down flat, it shot pain up my spine. And that was bad. So for Christmas, I asked for, can you see it? That box down there? Yeah, the big one? Yeah. I asked for a gaming chair. And I hate myself for it. But I am very dedicated to my pastel goth aesthetic. And I didn't want the awful bunny chair. It's cute and that, nothing against it. Adorable, but pink, as I wear pink is not my favorite pastel color. Lavender is, if you can't tell by my blanket. So I was looking for a lavender gaming chair, and they don't exist. So the closest thing I could find was this one back here. It's a Technisport Kawaii color, right? And it's super adorable, and I'm very excited to open it, and I wanted to share my excitement with you guys, so here we are. And I'm going to put together the chair on camera, and then probably, I have a little coffee table over here that is currently, messy. There is no other word for it. It's just straight up messy. And I want to use it as a little tea station, so that's why you see the, sorry about that. That's why you see the electric kettle. That's another thing I asked for Christmas. I can't, wow. There we go. That's another thing I asked for Christmas was an electric kettle so I could stop heating up my water in the damn microwave because I felt like a heathen. So, let's get into it. Welcome to my bedroom floor. This box is huge. I'm gonna move this baby first. But when I saw this box, this could be my chair. Just the box itself. So, let's hope there's tools inside to set it up, because I don't have any. Oh, instructions. I need those. Since I just stated that I adore lavender, this is probably going to be on this side forever, for the rest of its life. Alright, so I know that the chair is under here, and I am very excited because I can kind of see the colors ghosting through this whatever, and oh my god, I adore her. I wish the white was black, but I also know that asking for a pastel goth gaming chair is not possible. My brother has one from, I think it's GT Racing? I don't know any other gaming chairs except for the one that I own, so correct me if I'm wrong. But he has one that is black and a dark purple, a deep royal purple, and it's pretty. It's a very pretty chair. But I want lavender very specifically because I am picky. I am a Leo sun. But oh my god, you guys ready to see her? I love her so much. Oh my god. I'm gonna start crying in a sec, hold on. But oh god, I didn't even know that this piping is an iridescent. Oh god. I'm in love with her. What time is it? What time is it? It's quite literally January. Okay, so. Old man noises. There we go. Yeah. This is a lot to look at. 4 more times. Another like goal that I have for now that I'm back, because I did take a couple weeks to go to my family because holiday shit, you know. And when I'm there, I don't have like space. I have a bed to sleep on, and that's really about it. And so I haven't been exercising. I haven't been doing a whole lot of anything. So now that I'm back and I have space to do that, I want to get more into that. I don't know how like this whole mechanism works. I'm a little bit afraid, I'm not gonna lie. So here she is. I filmed that a couple days ago, so outfit swap. But I've used that tea station every day since I put it in there, so I think it was a good addition to the room. I have some announcements here. That's why I'm recording this session, not because I need to close the video or anything. One, I'm getting a webcam, like an actual webcam. It's a Logitech something, and super specific, you're welcome. So I'm thinking I can start live streaming soon. So shoot me a follow over on Twitch so that I can actually talk to y'all, because I feel like I love making YouTube videos, but I don't like editing YouTube videos, and that's why I never put anything out. But if I don't have to edit them, maybe I'll just live stream. But I think I'm gonna, because I have a lot of screen printing I have to do this semester. Surprise, semester has started. Because I have a lot of screen printing to do this semester, I want to be able to like record and like show y'all, because I think that'd be really fun to just be able to like screen print and have friends, because I miss being in the studio, and working in my own space is not nearly as fun when I can't collaborate with people and my friends. So that's what's happening with that. I'm thinking about getting a Blue Yeti mic, but I don't get paid until the 15th of February? It's a while a ways. So I'll let you know what the lifestyle of the fabulously unemployed lets me do. Other than that, if you want me to get a better sound quality like the Blue Yeti mic, my store is Crypt Couture on Store Envy. I'm thinking about dropping some stuff very soon, actually. Closer to Valentine's Day, so that I can get more money. So, that's all I gotta say so far today. I'll let you know if anything else pops into my head by like crappily editing it in. But other than that, I will see y'all next time. Thank you very much for watching. I feel like I should say like do all the YouTube things, like smash that subscribe button, but that's like definitely not the vibe. If you like it here, subscribe. If you don't like it here, leave. Sorry. So I'll see y'all next time.